See, what is your prayer?
Yes. No, writ of mandamus for taking action against respondent number 7 and 8, and this would be made accused by the removal.
To lodge first information report against respondent number 7 and 8.
Yes. Well, the case has been filed by an expert.
No, only question: Have you followed the procedures? Have you followed the procedures prescribed under CRPC for lodging of an FIR, which have been discussed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Priyanka Srivastava?
Lordship, we have filed counter affidavit, page 10 of counter affidavit.
Yes.
After 6-7 lines, the petitioner had also lodged Kotwali PS case number such and such under section ITNA, and after completion of investigation, the charge sheet being ITNA has dated ITNA 40513 dated 30/4/13, वो charge sheet भी file हो चुका है, सब कुछ हो चुका है.
My lord, may kindly come to page 27 and excerpt 7, my lord. The CID has found the case doubtful, my lord. A false implication case, my lord. A person who has been found to
You are for the accused.
Yes, my lord.
And you are seeking lodging of FIR.
Falsely implicated me in a false case that 4 cartridges were recovered from my pocket. I was a person, my lord, who was conducting Nukkad Natak on the road, my lord. This police personnel, my lord, asked me to perform a Nukkad Natak in their police station, my lord. I went there, my lord. On the way, my lord, I was picked up, my lord, and falsely implicated that 4 cartridges were recovered from his pocket.
What happened in this?
Yes, that is, my lord, annexer 7, my lord. That has been found to be
Page
27, annexer 7.
Page 7.
Annexer 7.
Page 7 and
Page 7 is
annexer
27.
7, page 27.
Yes, page 27.
Is a letter written by SPC to the
Police
Inspector
DGP.
General of Police, Bhagalpur
Yes.
Range. Now, इसमें लिखते हैं कि अतः अनुरोध है कि कांड की सूक्ष्म समीक्षा एवं अनुश्रवण करते हुए यथोचित कार्रवाई करने की कृपा की जाए. तो क्या कृपा हुई इसके बाद?
उसके बाद कुछ नहीं हुआ, और ये भी कहा गया है उसमें
नहीं, 85 of 13 में he says that final form has already been submitted. Where is your statement to that effect? Where is your statement? According to you, the case is still pending.
My instruction is that
85 of 13 is still pending.
Paragraph 11, Lordship, page number 11 of counter affidavit.
Yes.
That is not relevant for consideration. The final form number 15/16 dated B1/2016 has been submitted against the petitioner in the Kasim Bazar PS case number 85/13.
Yes.
और एक चीज और देखा जाएगा.
Final form has been submitted.
If he
Now
says,
if you are looking for
yes,
any compensation or lodging of an FIR in this connection, whatever is your advice, I am not going into that. Take appropriate steps for that. I will grant you liberty. I will grant you liberty for that.
yes,
Because what has happened, even if it is taken that you are making prayer for institution of an FIR against respondent number 7 and 8,
yes,
the fact remains that you have not followed the procedure required to be. अगर आपको ऐसा था, you should have sent a written complaint to the police station, or you should have filed an appropriate complaint before
there,
the
my lord, they
learned
did not
CGM.
listen to me, my lord. My lord, annexer 3 is the injury report conducted by the local medical officer. He says, my lord, that only bruises were found. That, my lord, one senseless person was found on the road when they say, my lord, that 4 pellets were found in my pocket. And, my lord, I was sane, my lord. Then why did they say that a insane person was found on the road, and they took me to the medical officer, my lord. And then, my lord, I was sent to the medical officer, Jawaharlal Medical Officer, Bhagalpur, where multiple injuries were found, my lord. Annexer 5, my lord. Page 24, my lord. So, my lord, they have brutally assaulted me, and then a false case has been instituted against me that has been found to be suspicious, my lord, in nature. In this case, my lord, Annexer 5, my lord, Annexer 5 may kindly see, patient is critical, number 1. Both Pupilla dilated and suggested reaching so and so. A lacerated wound of sort 1 inch into half inch into 1/4 with adjacent abrasion, medical side of left.
On this issue, Lordship, I will draw court's attention on page.
Just a minute, let him complete. Yes.
So, my lord, injury 1 is kept reserved till the skull is screened. Injury number 2 is simple in nature, caused by hard and blunt in nature. So, from the very beginning, my lord, the case seems to be doubtful, my lord. And
Who had lost this 85 of 13?
it was lost by Deepak Kumar, my lord. He is respondent number 9, my lord.
This case was sent to CID.
Yes, my lord. And that too, my lord, at the intervention of my niece, when she wrote a letter to the different persons, then nothing happened, my lord. Then she again wrote to the Human Rights Commission. And on the intervention of Human Rights Commission, my lord, this case was investigated and the case was found to be doubtful, my lord. Or page 19 में भी देखा जाएगा annexure 3, my lord. Patient who was brought as unknown patient.
Why he has falsely implicated you?
When I went for my wages, my lord, 22,000 and odd, my lord, it was remained with the police personnel, my lord.
Your wages, you were working in the police station?
No, I was a नाटक नुक्कड़ committee हम चलाते थे.
Okay. Then they were hiring you?
Yes, they asked me to perform a stage performance there, my lord. When I went there, on the way they have.
In what connection? In what connection they will tell you to perform?
नहीं इस पुलिस स्टेशन में आके थोड़ा entertainment कीजिए और क्या? That's what.
Entertainment to the police officers?
Yes, my lord. Police station, my lord.
हाँ, पुलिस स्टेशन प्रीमाइजेज में
ये
क्या कीजिए? पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को एंटरटेन कीजिए. वेजेज आपका किस चीज के लिए होगा?
Paragraph 8, my lord, may kindly be seen, my lord, in my petition.
Yes.
That the respondent number 7, Pankaj Kumar Singh, is the secretary of NGO called Harijan Adivasi Kalyan, in which the petitioner and artist had performed Nukkad Natak for 18 days along with 3 artists. An amount of rupees 22,000 was due, said Deepak Kumar, and for which the petitioner had filed Kasim Bazar PS case number 7813 under section 40634 of the Indian Penal Code against Pankaj Kumar Singh, in which charge sheet has been submitted in the case, due to which a dispute arose in between them and then Pankaj Kumar Singh, the respondent number 7, by hatching a conspiracy with respondent number 8, Vijay Shankar Singh, has falsely implicated the petitioner in this Kasim Bazar PS case number 8530. Or one way, my lord, they say, my lord, that person has been found to be having 4 cartridges in his pocket, and in Annexure 3, my lord, that the injury report, an unknown person was found, my lord. And then medical was taken and medical report says that only bruise was there, nothing. Then when I become senseless, I was sent to the Bhagalpur Jawaharlal Medical College where this multiple injury has been found. And on investigation, my lord, by Annexure 7, on the intervention of Human Rights Commission, the case was found to be doubtful. And there is one judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in ISRO case, my lord. Nambiar was found to be falsely implicated.
Compensation?
Yes, compensation. That is 2018 4
कितना 50 lakhs था ना उसमें? How much? 50 lakhs?
करोड़ में शायद मिला.
Crores, something around that.
Nambiar case, my lord. खाली सिंपल अगर ये अरेस्ट किया रहते कोई बात नहीं था. मल्टीपल इंजुरी है, ब्रूटली असॉल्टेड मी, माय लॉर्ड. They say, my lord, that they have done nothing, my lord.
उसका केस डायरी लाइए मिस्टर झा.
Page number 8, Lord.
नहीं, I would like to satisfy myself with the case diary, and in the meantime I will issue notice to them.